Functioning as a highly efficient people mover rather than a tire-smoking performance machine, the four-cylinder foundation of this Swedish heavyweight raises interesting questions about long-term fuel management. So analyzing the real-world fuel economy of the 2018 Volvo XC90 T5 after several years provides a clear picture of how small displacement engines handle large family hauling duties. The mechanical core of this specific model is a simplified 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that skips the complex supercharger entirely to deliver a steady 250 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. This engine relies on a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission to route power down to the pavement, achieving a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time in 7.9 seconds. Practicality is phenomenal, with an 858-liter cargo capacity providing plenty of room for heavy luggage strollers and weekly bulk groceries. From an exterior standpoint, the aerodynamic drag coefficient plays a massive role in highway fuel consumption. The upright front fascia features a distinct grille that feeds essential cooling air to the turbocharger intercooler, while the sleek headlight housings containing the Thor's hammer-led design help redirect wind cleanly around the front fenders. The vehicle typically sits on standard 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, which actually aid in maximizing fuel efficiency compared to heavier larger wheel options due to a lower rolling resistance and significantly reduced unsprung mass. Stepping into the cabin, the high-quality environment remains completely intact after years of use, featuring highly durable synthetic or genuine leather and authentic aluminum trim pieces that resist daily wear beautifully. The central 9-inch touchscreen acts as the primary command center for the vehicle and allows the driver to quickly select the eco-driving mode, which completely alters the throttle mapping and transmission shift points to maximize fuel conservation. By dulling the throttle response and shifting to higher gears much earlier in the rev range, the system successfully prevents unnecessary engine revving during slow city commutes. The comprehensive suite of safety features, including lane keeping aid and city safety collision avoidance, adds significant physical weight to the structural chassis, which inherently forces the small turbocharger to work slightly harder when accelerating from a dead stop. Evaluating the driving dynamics and real-world fuel economy based on long-term testing data reveals that the T5 engine is incredibly sensitive to individual driving styles. Because the vehicle lacks the immediate low-end torque of a supercharger, the turbocharger must spool up frequently to move the massive curb weight from a standstill. In heavy stop-and-go traffic, this constant reliance on boost pressure means that urban fuel economy often falls short of the original factory estimates. However, once the vehicle reaches a steady cruising speed on the open highway, the 8-speed transmission drops the engine revolutions down to a low whisper, allowing the aerodynamic shape and the active grille shutters to fully optimize airflow and deliver highly respectable long-distance fuel efficiency. The standard composite transverse leaf spring rear suspension keeps the vehicle perfectly level without the added weight and complexity of an air compressor, further contributing to the overall efficiency goals. In conclusion, evaluating the technical data shows that while the single-turbo setup offers vastly better long-term mechanical reliability, it demands a remarkably smooth and patient driving style to truly unlock the fuel-saving potential of this luxurious family sport utility vehicle.